Back from the Coding Bros, and today we're going to talk about pitch effects and the sound effects. Let's get started. Alright, what we have first is we have change pitch effect by 10 or change pan left or right. So what does this do? First, let me get myself a sound. Sound. Okay? So now I have the sound. Let me get this as we reviewed in the last video. Okay, so then what we can do is start sounding out, then change pitch effect by 100. Okay. So what if we don't add this? What will it say? See, there's a difference there. Now let's change this to the pan to right. Okay. So now, what is set pitch? Just like change pitch, we have set pitch. So it's pretty much the same thing, just you're setting it. It won't change unless you have anything else to that. And now this is just clear sound effects. It will clear all your sound effects and the thing will go back to normal. That's all about the sound effects. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.